In this video, we will be talking about the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or the BARMM region. BARMM is one of the 17 regions of the Philippines and is a part of the Mindanao Island Group. The regional center is Cotabato City. It is composed of 6 provinces, 3 cities, 116 municipalities, and 2,490 barangays. The 6 provinces comprising the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao are the following: the province of Basilan, the province of Lanao del Sur, the province of Maguindanao del Norte, the province of Maguindanao del Sur, the province of Sulu, and the province of Tawi-Tawi. The regional center or the regional capital is Cotabato City in the province of Maguindanao. The borders are the following. We have Northern Mindanao, Soc-Sargen, Moro Gulf, Celebes Sea, and Sulu Sea. Let us start off with the province of Basilan. The province of Basilan has Lamitan City as its capital or provincial center. It is composed of 1 city, which is Lamitan City, 11 municipalities, and 210 barangays. The province of Lanao del Sur has Marawi City as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is composed of 1 city, which is Marawi City, 39 municipalities, and 1,159 barangays. The province of Maguindanao del Norte has Dato Udin Sinsuat as its provincial capital or provincial center. It is composed of 1 city, 12 municipalities, and 258 barangays. The province of Maguindanao del Sur has Buluan as its capital or provincial center. It is composed of 0 city, 24 municipalities, and 287 barangays. The province of Sulu has Jolo as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is composed of 0 city, 19 municipalities, and 410 barangays. The province of Tawi-Tawi has Bungao as its capital or provincial center. It is composed of 0 cities, 11 municipalities, and 203 barangays. And that is all about the different provinces comprising the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or the BARMM region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.